Hi everyone. Welcome to our new series of learning. Short is big. In this new series we shall make a very short video with big impact. So friends, let's start. Short is big. Hi everyone. Today we shall learn how to remove password from PDF file. There are many ways to do this. We shall explain using Google in this video. So let's start. Open Google in your system. Drag and drop PDF file in which you want to remove password. As you can see, new tab opens once you drop your file. Now enter password of your file. Once your file opens, click on the print option on right top corner. After print, click on save icon and save your file on desired location. Now this saved file is password free. Hope you found this information useful. Finally, thanks for watching. Keep learning. Like, share and subscribe our video if you found useful. Thanks. Myra, Team TLC.